What's up? This is Vic from Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are still cutting on. As for me, I am doing some training. And the training that I'm doing is trying to get my guys ready for the 2021 cut season. I'm trying to develop my very own guide that will hold up. So fam, I'm developing a way to train new guys on mowers. Now, a lot of times you just let people take your equipment out and they're gonna get out there and they're gonna learn how to cut grass on their own. So we were very fortunate to have a client who has a big field just like this. And she allows us to come out. Of course, we cut the yard for free. And she allows us to come out and train our guys. So right now we're training on the 3-point turn so they can get used to turning that mower around without putting divots in the yard. We're doing it about 20 times. And you can see how many times they go in. I got 6 cones set up. I'll show you how we setting it up. And they go in and out of the lanes doing the 3-point turn. All right, fam. So what we did was we set up another obstacle course. And on this obstacle course, we know that a lot of times the guys don't understand when to open and close the chute. They don't get used to opening and closing the chute. So every cone that's up represents when the chute needs to be open. Every cone that's down represents when that chute needs to be closed. And what we're doing is get them used to paying attention to things that's around them that needs to be, where that chute needs to be closed. And then once they pass that piece, they need to open it back up. All right, fam, so we done switched the obstacle up. As you can see, it's a dip right here in this trench right here. And most of the times when you are cutting a yard and coming to the top of the hill, you will scalp a yard if you got it too low. So the idea is for the guys, once you get towards the top of the hill, to raise that deck up and then to lower it. So that's the technique that we're making sure they are paying attention of that. And they also still doing the 3-point turn coming around. All right, fam, so I set up an obstacle course that looks like a yard, okay? And my guys, their job is to cut it out. And they need to understand how to cut a yard out before they start mowing. So that's something that we're gonna show them real quick, and you should be able to see it. So we've been out here about 2 hours, we've been out here 2 hours training the guys. And I really am taking this serious because at the end of the day, a lot of times you're looking for some people to replace you. And the only way you can do that a lot of times is to get guys who's in your family, you train them, and you pay them. That's the thing. They're not out here doing it for free. I am paying for them to be trained. And in the future, I might have someone paying me to train them. That's the plan. All right? But as always, man, cut on lawn care family. Cut on, cutting out. Peace.